Hello Planning Masters and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing yet another Doodle with me video, and these are the doodles that I used in my October bullet journal setup. So they are kind of Halloween nature magic themed and I hope you like them. If you're new here, my name is Masha and I'm creating videos on bullet journaling, doodling, creativity. So be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you always know when I release a new video. Let's get doodling! Okay, so here's how we are going to be doing this Doodle with me tutorial. I will start from a pencil sketch that will show you that each doodle consists of very basic shapes. Then I'll use my fine liner to kind of finalize the doodle, soften it up a little bit, and just make it look more like what it's supposed to. In this case, I also decided that Halloween doodles would look extra special with a thicker outline outside of the entire doodle. So I am doing that. It's one of the tricks you can do to enhance your doodles, and I think it gives a very fun doodly kind of effect. And I just felt like a little bit more black lines would look gorgeous on Halloween themed doodles, and I think I was right. As always, all the supplies I'm using for this Doodle with me tutorial will be linked in the description, so be sure to check that out and, well, enjoy this video. I also wanted to say extra thank you to everyone who is a part of our Patreon. And if you want to join our Patreon family, the link is in the description. You guys are amazing, and I am so happy every month to be creating different stuff for you. We have tons of rewards like printables, stickers, and tutorials, so be sure to check that out. And also, shout out to everyone who is supporting me on Ko-fi. Honestly, you guys are making my day. Thank you so much, and hey, if you want to get me a cup of coffee, the link is in the description. Every bit is extremely appreciated. So I kind of really like black and white of the doodles, but I'm really itching to color them. So I decided to color them eventually. I'm using my Korean brush markers because their colors are just the brightest and the richest, and I just love them so much. So I hope you guys enjoy how these doodles will look in color. I will see you in the next video. Keep bullet journaling and don't be a blob. Bye!